Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn generating the image thumbnails in the Node.js using the Sharp library. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically, when I try to upload the image, the thumbnail should be generated because you have seen that much of like WordPress, when we try to upload the images, the multiple thumbnails will generate it so that you can use it anywhere, right? So this kind of stuffs we are going to learn in this video. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to create the directory for the image upload, or I will use any of the previous project, and let's install with the multer and the sharp. Okay, so I'm going to open any of my project of the node.js. Here we go with my node.js. Not that one. Yeah, this one. I will open it. Code. Let me close this. Okay. Yeah, we will use this one. File upload dot. It's in the right. Okay, we will use this one. Let's install this one first. Let's go and install this. Okay. Next, we have to server.js is not there. Upload.js is already we have made. Now I am going to copy paste this code and add it over here. Okay. So what are the necessary files that we have to create? That is uploads folder. I think uploads folder is already there. Let's have a look. Uploads is there, but thumbs is not there, right? So let's generate that thumbnails. So new folder with thumbnails is generated. Okay, let's try to run the code. Node upload. Sorry, what is the file name? File upload.js. File upload.js. So something went wrong is here. Please upgrade Node.js project requires 18 point something for the sharp pixel. Consult the installation document. Okay, so nvm use node 20. Done. Let's run it. Could not load the sharp module using the Linux Expert. Possible solutions: ensure that the dependencies can be installed. npm install include optional sharp. Okay, let's install this like this. Let's run. Now it's run. Okay, so you can fix this library like this. Now we will go to the postman and let's try to run it. And what is the route of it? Upload and the image, right? So let's go with this. Localhost localhost 3000. So we'll take any of this and upload. Okay, it would be the post request body form data, and here would be the image, and let's try to make it image. Select the file. This image, we should generate the thumb. Let's try to send it. File uploaded and the thumbnail generated. Let's have a look in the uploads directory. Uploads. So this is the image that is generated, or we can, I need to delete this and then I will show you. Delete this, and thumbnails is also deleted. Here you can see that thumbnail is generated. Let me delete this and create the new one. Okay, so here we go with this. Let's upload it. Let's go and just check. Upload. This is our image that we have uploaded, and this is the thumbnail that is generated. Let's open it, and this is your thumbnail. Okay, what the size we have done? So thumbnail size is thumb is 200. If I make it 100 by 100, okay, let's try to upload a new file again. This image is big, so we will use this. Send, and the image is there, and this is the uploaded file. Okay, let's check the thumbnails, and here you can see that the size of this, and if I go to the uploads, and the size is this. So here you can see that the image is, I think, thumbnail is generated. Let's check the properties also. Image, okay, it's 200 by 200 pixel because I haven't restarted the server, right? So let's restart it. And now we have to switch to the another image with import and export image. Send, and let's try to check this image. So here you can see that the thumbnail is there, okay, and the previous one for the uploads is there, okay. So let's have a look how we have done this one. Okay, so let's dive into the code level. So here you can see that first of all we have to install the express malta sharp library, right, and create the necessary directories, uploads, and the thumbnail directory. Okay, next we are going to check that if we have upload directory or not. So if it is not, then create it. Same with the thumbnails, but we have already created, right? Next we have a set up the storage engine with the multer. So this is for the multer. So if you don't know how to work with the multer, then you have to watch the previous videos on my for the multer section. Okay, so if you go to the documentation, this is the storage engine for the multer. So here you need to destination where you need to upload the file, and what would the file name. So here we are just making the file names, right? Next we have the upload with multer storage, then initialize with the app with express endpoint to upload an image. So this is basically the express endpoint upload. So we are going to upload the single image, so here we are adding the dot single. Okay, if there is a no file, then we will say that the no file is uploaded, and if it is there, then we are going to upload it. Then we will get the input path and the output path of both for the upload directory and the thumbnail directory. For the sharp, we are just getting the input upload directory and resize by 100 by 100. Okay, this is the size that we have added, and after that we will give me the response that the file uploaded and the thumbnail generated successfully with the file name and the thumbnail name. If something goes wrong, it will go to the catch block with the say with the console.error creating the thumbnail, and with the response status 500 error creating the thumbnail. Okay, at the last we have to initialize the server with the port 3000. Okay, so by doing this you are able to generate the thumbnails with the help of your main uploaded image, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.